Sami people don't like it when non-Sami people wear the gákti, of course, because the gákti, it's connected to where you're from. So the gákti will show what area you're from. So it's a part of your identity. It shows where you belong. So if a non-Sami person would put on a gákti, it would be like lying about their identity. So, and I think no matter who you are, what would you think about a person who lied about their identity? They lied to you about who they are. I mean, wouldn't you think they would be a little bit sketchy? Like you wouldn't trust them, would you? But there are some Sami clothes that non-Sami people can wear also. I mean, not all the clothing is connected to a specific area. It's usually the gákti itself, or the hat, the belt, and the woven bands around the reindeer shoes that show where you're from, that are connected to a specific area. So there are many other clothing you can wear, even if you're not Sami. You can wear luhka or njarfahta, the woolen scarves you can wear, and the jewelry and bags, and also the reindeer shoes if they don't have any bands that are connected to any specific area. And what else? Yeah, we have a few Sami brands that are available for anyone to wear, more for everyday purpose. So modernized, like woolen clothing, for example. So yeah.